6 benefits and uses of oregano oil. 1. Natural antibiotic. Oregano and the carvacrol it contains may help battle microscopic organisms. The Staphylococcus aureus bacterium is one of the most widely recognized reasons for disease, bringing about illnesses like food contamination and skin contaminations. It found that 43% of the mice given oregano basic oil lived beyond 30 days, an endurance rate about as high as the half-endurance rate for mice that got customary antimicrobials. Exploration has likewise demonstrated that oregano basic oil might be viable against some possibly antitoxin-safe microbes. Albeit progressively, human examinations on the impacts of oregano oil remove are required. It contains huge numbers of indistinguishable mixes from oregano fundamental oil and may offer comparable medical advantages when utilized as an enhancement. 2. May help lower cholesterol. In one examination, 48 individuals with somewhat elevated cholesterol were offered diet and way of life guidance to help bring down their cholesterol. 32 members were additionally given 0.85 ounces, 25 milliliters, of oregano oil remove after every supper. Following 3 months, those given the oregano oil had lower LDL, awful, cholesterol and higher HDL, great, cholesterol, contrasted, and the individuals who were simply offered diet and way of life guidance. The cholesterol bringing down impact of oregano oil is believed to be the consequence of the phenols carvacrol and thymol. 3. Powerful antioxidant. Cell reinforcements help shield the body from harm brought about by free radicals. One more established test tube study looked at the cancer prevention agent substance of 39 generally utilized spices and found that oregano had the most noteworthy grouping of cell reinforcements. Gram per gram, oregano additionally has multiple times the cancer prevention agent level of apples and multiple times that of blueberries. This is believed to be for the most part because of its rosmarinic corrosive substance. Since oregano oil remove is concentrated, you need significantly less oregano oil to receive a similar cancer prevention agent rewards as you would from new oregano. 4. Could help treat yeast diseases. Yeast is a sort of growth. It tends to be innocuous, yet excess can bring about gut issues and contaminations, for example, thrush. In test tube contemplates, oregano fundamental oil has been seen as powerful against 5 unique sorts of candida, for example, those that cause contaminations in the mouth and vagina. Truth be told, it was more viable than some other fundamental oil tried. Test tube considers have likewise discovered that carvacrol, one of the principal mixes of oregano oil, is viable against oral candida. 5. May improve gut health. Oregano may profit gut well-being in various manners. Gut indications like loose bowels, torment, and swelling are normal and can be brought about by gut parasites. One more seasoned examination gave 600 milligrams of oregano oil to 14 individuals who had gut side effects because of a parasite. After everyday treatment for about a month and a half, all members encountered a decrease in parasites, and 77% were relieved. In an examination on pigs, oregano fundamental oil shielded the gut divider from harm and kept it from turning out to be cracked. It likewise decreased the quantity of E. coli microorganisms in the gut. 6. May have anti-inflammatory properties. Exploration has demonstrated that oregano oil may diminish irritation. One mouse study found that oregano basic oil, alongside thyme basic oil, diminished incendiary markers in those that had falsely instigated colitis. One investigation straightforwardly applied various groupings of carvacrol to the swollen paws or ears of mice. Carvacrol decreased paw and ear growing by 35 to 61% and 33 to 43%, separately.